Tyrus Select Total Parks Pro. Today with 2014 Hyundai i30, stock number 0129. It's ran from the 3rd 2012 to the 2nd 2017. It's a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, Petrol 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke, vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,